So what do you think is the impact of 5G technologies on the society, such as digitalization, automatization?
Yeah, I think it's one of the technologies that enable more of automation to be done. It's the whole ICT industry is coming together in many ways. So we see now with 5G that sensor networks will be connected into cloud computing, and means that you can talk about machine now having sensors, which means that in terms of human capabilities, you have machines that have motoric skills, they have sensors, they have thought capabilities in terms of computing, and they have communication. All that is allowing machines to do much of the jobs that we as humans are doing.
Exactly. What are the consequences of this? I mean, is it going to be in the future like 50% of the population will be jobless, and yeah.
Yeah, there's a famous report that came out in 2013 by Carl Frey and Michael Osborne from Oxford that showed that in 20 years' time, half of jobs that we have today could be automated. It doesn't say that they will be automated, but they could be automated. And I think the whole development of communication is very vital to that. If you think about it, what the container invention of the container has been for transportation of goods in globalization of production. This is basically what the internet has been for services. So now you can provide any services over a network, and more these services will be machine generated. So we see now an automation of the service industry. So before, when industries were and production systems were automated, people could get new jobs in the service industry. But now we see the service industry is automated. And what I worry about is, where do people go to work now?
So how can we solve this problem? Who are the responsible authorities?
There's ultimately no one directly responsible for it. I mean, it's all of us. We want to buy cheaper goods, and that's why we got that from globalization of production. And now we want to buy cheaper services and better services, so we buy the ones that the machines produce, and therefore we drive it ourselves. It's up to each. We are all part of this.